Welcome back to my channel. Today, we explore the value of specific coins, the most valuable US wheat penny coins value in market. First up, the 1946 wheat penny with no mint mark. Specifically, in fine condition. If you've come across one of these in your collection or change jar, you might be wondering, minted in Philadelphia. The 1946 wheat penny carries no mint mark. Over 991 million were produced, making it one of the most common coins in the series. But how does its condition affect its value in fine condition? These pennies typically range in value from $6,000. However, coins in higher grades, such as uncirculated or MS-65, can fetch between $20,000 or more. Depending on their preservation and color, some 1946 wheat pennies feature rare errors, like double dies or mistrikes. These unique specimens can command significantly higher prices. For instance, a 1946 penny with an error between the R&T and Liberty was listed for $20,000. On eBay, market trends showed that while most 1946 wheat pennies are modestly priced, those in exceptional condition or with errors can attract collectors. For example, a well-preserved red-brown 1946 penny sold for $1,350 in 2019 to assess your 1946 wheat penny's value. Check for the absence of a mint mark. Evaluate its condition using a magnifying glass and look for any unique errors. Consulting a reputable coin grading guide or professional can also provide clarity. While the 1946 wheat penny without a mint mark is common, its value can vary based on condition and rarity. Keep an eye out for those exceptional pieces that stand out. Next up, the 1942 Lincoln wheat penny. Minted in Philadelphia without a mint mark, and its surprising value in today's market. 1942 was a pivotal year in American history. Amidst World War II, the U.S. Mint produced over 657 million pennies in Philadelphia alone. Most of these coins are common and worth just 1 cent. But what about those in better condition? Coin collectors use a grading scale from good G to mint state 70 MS-702 assess a coin's condition. A very fine VF grade indicates moderate wear, with most details still visible in very fine condition. A 1942 no mint mark wheat penny is typically valued between $10,000 while not rare. Its value can increase with higher grades. Coins graded MS-67 or higher are considered exceptional. For instance, an MS-68 Road-Reed 1942 no mint mark penny sold for nearly $20,000 in 2021, highlighting the premium placed on superior condition. While most 1942 no mint mark pennies are common, those in excellent condition are sought after by collectors, with values reaching up to $30,000 for superb examples. Error coins, such as those with double dies or unique minting flaws, can be significantly more valuable. For example, a 1942 penny with a double die obverse is worth considerably more than its standard counterpart, while a 1942 no mint mark wheat penny in average condition isn't rare. Those in excellent grades or with unique errors can be valuable additions to a collection. Next up, the 1940s Lincoln wheat penny in good condition. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know what to look for and what it's really worth in today's market. Obverse design. Victor D. Brenner's profile of President Abraham Lincoln, first introduced in 1909 to commemorate Lincoln's centennial. Reverse design, 2 stylized wheat ears flanking the denomination. Hence, the wheat penny nickname. 1940 mintage at San Francisco, 112,940,000. Coin struck still a sizable mintage, but small enough that even modestly worn examples catch collectors' eyes. Mint mark, an S just under the date, indicating San Francisco origin. Wear indicators. On a good 4 grade, Lincoln's cheek and jawline are nearly flat. Most inscription detail is smooth, but the date and mint mark remain fully legible color. Toning, typically a uniform brown. Any remaining red highlights are rare at this grade, a good grade 194 OS wheat. Penny usually trades for mere pennies above face value, often between $40,000 apiece in dealer transactions. There you have it. The 1940s wheat penny in good condition, modestly worth about $40,000 normally. But always keep an eye out for those rare era varieties that can turn pocket change into serious money. Next up, the 1955 wheat penny, specifically the version without a mint mark, in extremely fine condition. Stick around to learn why this humble penny can be worth a surprising amount in today's market. First, a little background. The 1955 wheat penny was minted during the post-World War II era, a time when Lincoln cents featured the classic wheat ears on the reverse side, a design used from 1909 to 1958. Now, when we talk about the 1955 wheat penny without a mint mark, it means the coin was minted in Philadelphia. No D or S mark means Philadelphia. The oldest U.S. mint condition is everything when it comes to coin value. Our focus is on coins in extremely fine condition, or F for short. This means the coin shows light wear only on the highest points, with most details still sharp and clear for a 1955 wheat penny without a mint mark in EF condition. Collectors look for crisp wheat stalks on the back, a clear date, and minimal signs of circulation. So, how much is this coin worth today? In the current market, a 1955 Philadelphia wheat penny in extremely fine condition typically sells for around $3091. That might sound modest, but remember, wheat pennies are common, so the value here comes from condition and collector demand. Now, compared to rare era pennies like the famous 1955 double die, this standard 1955 Philadelphia penny is more affordable, but still a solid piece for any collection if you're hunting for wheat pennies. Always check the condition carefully. Even pennies from the same year can vary greatly in price based on wear, cleaning, or damage. That's it for today's look at the 1955 wheat penny without a mint mark in extremely fine condition. If you have one of these in your collection, it's a nice little gem from U.S. history and worth keeping an eye on as you build your collection. Next up, the 1958 D wheat penny, specifically in that beautiful brown shade and with an old circulated condition. Stick around to find out why this humble penny can be surprisingly valuable in today's market. The 1958 D wheat penny is part of the famous Lincoln Wheat series, minted in Denver and produced in huge numbers, over 440 million coins. So at first glance, it might not seem super rare. But here's the twist. The condition and the color shade really affect its value. Let's break it down. First, the mint mark D means it was minted at Denver. Now, about that brown shade, coins naturally turn brown as the copper oxidizes over time. And many collectors prefer that classic look, especially on older wheat pennies in circulated condition, especially if it shows signs of wear, or old condition as collectors call it. A 1958 D wheat penny typically sells for anywhere between $14,000, depending on how nice the details still are. Collectors look closely at the coin's details, like how clear the wheat ears are on the back and how well Lincoln's features show on the front. Even though it's not mint condition, if the coin has good detail and an attractive brown patina, it can fetch a decent price now. If you find a 1958 D wheat penny that's in exceptional condition or with rare errors, the value could jump much higher. But for a typical old brown penny with average wear, $15,000 is the realistic market price right now. So, if you've got a 1958 D wheat penny lying around, don't overlook it just because it's common. Condition and color matter a lot. Make sure to check the details and maybe get it appraised if you think it's a nicer specimen. Who knows, you might have a hidden gem in your collection if you enjoyed this deep dive. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our future videos on rare coins and collectibles.